Hello, this is Aaron Maller from Parallax, and this is just a quick video going over the revamped Batt insulation line-based detail component that we've created. So some backstory here is you've always had the ability to use the insulation tool within Revit. I've never liked using this because it's not a real object. You can't drop a tag on it. You can't drop a keynote on it. You can't filter by it. You can't really do anything with it. So we've always used a line-based detail component for this very thing. And it essentially just always let you draw the different bats. The thing is, it did let you change the width. So you've always been able with our detail component to kind of do this. But you've never been able to also change the bulge the way you can with the out-of-the-box line. So we did redo this last night, and now you'll see that you can actually come in and change the bulge on this as well. Going the wrong way, I meant to go to 2. Now, the one issue is, and I find this kind of amusing about building content with arrays, this is the final version, so let's leave that. So this is the version we started with last night, and again, it lets you adjust the bulge as well, but I want you to notice the performance difference here. And when you go to draw this one that we started with last night, the performance is absolutely abysmal. So when I drag this line, you'll see both the cursor stuttering, and I've already clicked the second time, and obviously this is not sustainable for having to detail wall sections. So the interesting thing is all of these variations going down here is I was just making different iterations today, experimenting with different ways we connect the parameters from the parent line-based detail component to the nested family, which is the individual bat. And it took about 6 tries additionally after last night, and I still need to take the final one and then take this one, number 03, which performs terribly. I still need to break them both down and do some comparison, but what's kind of interesting is, depending on the order of operations where you connect the nested family to the main line-based family and how the parameters are all tethered together, you can see that the performance on this one is now great. So we can change the bulge, we can come in, we can change the width, and I've got these wrong at the moment, of course. So you'll see here that we're able to change all of those. So it's now working great. Not sure, again, we'll have to go back through and dig into what is done differently because they are basically the same family. So it has to do with how the nested family parameters are assigned versus the array in the main family. So we'll have to take a look at that, and maybe that'll be a fun thing to dissect on a webinar at some point. But for now, this is all done, so we'll get it loaded in to our template, and that'll make things a little more elegant in terms of graphics.